Hi guys, welcome back to the session. Welcome to Girls Buzz and a live session. So today as our guest, we have Srishti Agrawal, who is a certified counselor, and we'll be in conversation with her and we'll talk about mental health and a lot of its aspects. So we'll just wait for a couple more minutes to more people to join in and then we'll invite her. So Srishti goes by the handle Wellbeing Wave. Let's just wait for her to join in and we shall dive into the session right away. So Srishti is here. I'll just quickly invite her in and we shall begin. I think she's facing some network issues, so we'll add her in again. Hi Srishti. Welcome to Girls Buzz.
Hi, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Yeah, perfectly.
Wait, I'll just fix it.
Yeah,
Yeah, so can you see me perfectly?
yeah. I can see
Oh,
you. I can hear you perfectly.
okay, great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good too. Thank you so much for giving your time. So I've given a
Pleasure.
short introduction about you to the audience, but I would love to know more about you. So kindly introduce yourself to the panel.
Okay, definitely.
Yeah.
So I am Shrishti Agrawal. I run this page called The Wellbeing Wave, which is essentially a mental health blog where I try to put out content which is very relatable for the youth and everyone because I think all of us at some point go through ups and lows in our lives, and how to deal with it is the important question. So it's very
Definitely.
relatable, it's easy to understand. And I have just started out. I think I started this page in lockdown because
Okay.
I could see how people are dealing with mental health, and it was a very difficult situation for all of us.
Right.
So I think that motivated me to start this page, and I hope people are benefiting from it. So that's the entire
Definitely.
thing. Yeah.
So, okay, so what sort of inclined you towards spreading awareness about mental health?
Okay, so I was introduced to psychology back in school. I've been studying it
Okay.
since 11th grade, and
Okay.
I started getting interest in the subject because it was so beautiful, because of the knowledge it holds about human mind and behavior. And
Yeah.
that started interesting me, but I was back then I was inclined towards a different career field. I was preparing for UPSC. So that was
Okay.
completely different, yeah. But
Yeah.
psychology was like my backup plan. Uh, I,
Okay.
I, but it ended up becoming the main thing. It ended up becoming the goal of my life. So
Yeah.
today I'm wholly and solely dedicated to psychology and spreading mental health awareness. So
Yeah.
yeah, that's how I figured out that this is what I want to do. And I also had like a personal episode in my life where I lost someone very, very, very close to me to suicide.
Okay.
That's when it hit me that I think I have to dedicate my life to making people fall in love with themselves and with their life because it's something very important.
Exactly, exactly. Wonderful. So, considering the fact that mental health in itself is a very broad term, it has a lot of things under its umbrella. So, a person who does not have any idea about it, so how can they understand that what exactly mental health means?
Okay, so I think it's very easy to define what mental health is, but we have made it so complex because
Yeah.
humans don't like anything easy. So
True.
it's very easy. See, when you feel happy and you feel satisfied with the way you are leading your life, you find
Yeah.
happiness in little things. You have a routine, and everything interests you, and you like the things that you are doing, and you find peace within. I think that's where mental health lies. And then if we go on to broader spectrums, I think people get into that area of disorders and
Yeah.
mental health complexities that is not under their control. It happens to them. So I
Right.
think this is not someone chooses to happen to them. Just like you can't choose a physical condition happening to you,
Yeah.
people get physical problems all the time, right?
Yeah.
So that's not something you choose. It happens to you. And
Right.
mental health is how it affects your mental state instead of the physical being.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
All
that is and how you decide to mentally challenge that situation and come out of it.
All right. So when something gets to our mind and it sort of affects the way we think, we process, so that's how people can understand that, okay, this is something where I am lacking behind, or maybe this is something where there's a problem in my mental health.
Yes, I think there are three basic things: how we think, how we
Yeah.
feel, and how we behave.
Okay. All
Think
right.
is here, feel is
Yeah.
here, and behavior is
Yeah.
your body.
Yeah. Right. Wonderful. So what are some of the mental health issues that people might have, but they are not talked about much?
So I think nowadays people have become very vocal and
Yeah.
everyone सब बोलना चाहते हैं कि उनको क्या फील हो रहा है बट
जी.
आई थिंक जितना हम ज्यादा एक्सेप्टेड ये सोसाइटी को बनाएंगे जितना ज्यादा लोग इसके बारे में बातें करेंगे जैसे हम नॉर्मली हम बोल देते हैं आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल टुडे बिकॉज आई हैव अ कोल्ड it's so
Yeah.
easy to tell that you have a cold or you're having a stomach ache,
Exactly.
you're having a headache. It's so
Yeah.
easy because you accept that kind of discomfort in society. But if you
Exactly.
tell that I'm not feeling well because maybe I have depression or I have
Yeah.
anxiety issues, people give a different kind of reaction to that.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's where, अगर मैं आपको आके बोलूंगी कि वैष्णवी, right?
Yeah.
वैष्णवी,
Yeah.
आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल बिकॉज मुझे डिप्रेशन है. आपका एक्सप्रेशन, आपका रिएक्शन मेरी तरफ बहुत ही डिफरेंट
Yeah.
होगा. तो आई
That's
विल
true.
बी टेकन अबैक कि आई थिंक दिस इज समथिंग नॉट
That
टू बी
shouldn't be
सेड.
talked about
हाँ,
openly.
मुझे
Yeah.
नहीं बोलना चाहिए था. तो नेक्स्ट टाइम से द
Yeah.
पर्सन विल हेजिटेट टू स्पीक बिकॉज आपने एक हम हमारे एक्सपीरियंसेस के हिसाब से चलते हैं लाइफ में. एंड इफ यू कीप गेटिंग ऑन नेगेटिव एक्सपीरियंसेस रिलेटेड टू समथिंग, इट विल
Yeah.
इट विल reduce your motivation to do that,
Right. Yeah.
right?
Perfectly. Yeah. 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 Agreed. Agreed. So, are there any ways in which way we could prevent anyone or anyone else or maybe ourselves to have mental health issues? कोई भी ऐसा तरीका जिससे we could just help a person to not fall into that pit.
So I think I can go on and on about it, but preventing, basically, I think just simplest चीज लोग कर सकते हैं is following a nice routine in their lives. हम
Okay.
वो करने में आजकल हम we fail because people don't
Exactly.
sleep on time, they don't get up on time, we have erratic
Yeah.
sleeping schedules. I think even I am a part of it. मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूंगी because it's
Yeah.
there are so many things. There's so much information coming in. There's so much pleasure-seeking behavior, watching movies at night or
Yeah.
spending time with your family, going out, all of that. Anything. It is different for everybody. So, like
Yeah.
having a proper sleeping schedule, having a proper diet, nutrition. If you don't have like proper meals during the day, you skip your meals or you're eating a lot out, and आपका body भी react करता है उस way में. And if you're
Yeah.
not feeling well physically, it will be really difficult for you to be in a good mental state also. Everything is
Yeah.
interconnected. Then having
Right.
a good social support like uh, family, friends, then for having love for yourself, self love
Yeah.
is very important. Then I
Exactly.
think ये बहुत सारी बेसिक चीजें हैं that actually leads up to. अब इनमें से कोई भी एक chain में there's discomfort, you start feeling
Yeah.
something is wrong with you.
Right, right. So, apart from all these things, जितने भी आपने physical aspects बताए हैं, so उसके अलावा भी, are there any things that sort of, push a person towards being mentally ill?
I didn't get your question.
जितने भी
What push?
physical aspects like not sleeping on time or not following a proper routine, तो उसके
Okay,
अलावा,
okay.
are there any emotional changes also, or maybe some emotional stimulants also that push a person towards being mentally ill or having
Definitely, yes.
mental illness?
I think everyone can relate to this. If people have like relationship problems, breakup
Yeah,
के बाद people go in a very dark phase. If they want
yeah,
someone, if they face rejection, so people
yeah,
find it really difficult to, deal with that. If
exactly.
there are issues in the family, if the child does not have like a proper support system from their family, or they were maybe abused as a child,
Yeah,
and I think a lot of reasons. And आज के date में, because we are facing so much competition within the work sphere, so
exactly.
competition among peers in school and office, career के लिए इतना ज़्यादा लोग, all of us are so worried about our career
Yeah,
and future. तो future की anxiety में ही रहते हैं. All of us are so worried कि what is going to happen tomorrow. We don't
exactly.
we forget to live the present. And
Yeah,
I think
definitely.
ये सबसे overthinking and then anxiety issues, ये सब everything piles up, and सब कुछ
Yeah,
interconnect होके it comes back and it harms your mental state.
definitely. So जैसा आपने बोला that we get so much pressurized and tensed because of our workspace or maybe the competition and the fear of future. So what can a person do to avoid all these things, to prevent their mental health, to be sane and not fall into the trap of thinking about future and competition and peers and everything?
I think जो pandemic हम सबने face किया है, that can be a very good example to stop worrying about the future, because हमारे
Definitely.
पास इतने सारे plans थे. People had work plans, career plans, travel plans, wedding
Yeah,
plans, all of that. But life cannot work according to a plan, and I think pandemic ने
exactly.
ये बहुत अच्छी से सिखाया है, because um, anything can happen to you suddenly. So, what you can do in this moment, how you can live now, is what life is all about. We've
Yeah,
never seen the future. अगर अभी तक भी हम ऐसा कर रहे थे, if you were intensely worried about what is going to happen tomorrow, I
yeah,
think now it's the reminder for you to start taking life one day at a time. And I think
yeah,
this we've all learned the hard way.
exactly.
So I think
Definitely.
this is my little and the ultimate tip for everyone to just take life. We don't have to take life so
Very seriously.
we don't have to take it so
Yeah,
seriously. It is to be lived and enjoyed. It is
right,
not to be,
right.
yeah, it is not to be taken as a scary movie where आपको suddenly किसी ने रख दिया and you're just clueless
Yeah,
what is going to happen.
एग्जैक्टली. सो एज यू टॉक अबाउट एंजाइटी, तो कैसे हम डिफाइन कर सकते हैं एंजाइटी क्या होता है टू anyone who is unknown, completely unknown about this fact that what exactly anxiety is, and might be it is possible that that person, वो he himself is experience something like that. तो हम ऐसे इंसान को कैसे डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं कि what is anxiety?
सो आई थिंक आजकल तो हम वर्ड्स एंजाइटी डिप्रेशन बहुत इजीली यूज कर लेते हैं इवन इफ
Exactly. Yeah.
वो क्लिनिकली डायग्नोज नहीं होता है क्योंकि
Yeah.
हमें नहीं एक्चुअली द ले पर्सन डज नॉट नो कि
Yeah.
अ पर्सन गोइंग थ्रू डिप्रेशन उनका क्या लेवल ऑफ सिवियरिटी होता है
Yeah.
इफ अगर हम थोड़ा सा भी सैड फील कर रहे हैं वी एंड अप सेइंग दैट आई एम डिप्रेस्ड बट यू आर
Yeah.
नॉट डिप्रेस्ड
Yeah.
या so I think there's a fine line between being irritated, being agitated, or being annoyed, and being and feeling anxiety.
Exactly.
So it has a lot of layers. Agar we have a fear of the unknown. So up you can feel that you're feeling something in your body up
Yeah.
intensely. आपको there's a shiver going on. You're
Yeah.
you're you're perspiring, पसीने आ रहे हैं या फिर आपको डर लग रहा है तो हम उसको एंजाइटी सडनली नहीं लेबल कर सकते हैं
Exactly.
if it is happening momentarily and you can just overcome it over a period of time then I think
Yeah.
it's only that episode that's happening to you and you can define it some other way
Right.
but that's not
Right.
anxiety if it happens for a period of time where it hampers your daily functioning जहाँ पे people are not able to function even on daily basis
Yeah.
तब you clinically diagnosis as something like anxiety or mood disorder or whatever.
Yeah.
So yeah, there's a fine line, and all of us need to realize that even for depression, just being
Right.
sad for one day does not make you depressed.
Right.
It's a feeling. You're feeling sad, you're feeling low. So using
Yeah.
the right words because हमें नहीं पता actually all of us जो नहीं पढ़ते हैं about these things उनको
Yeah.
नहीं पता कि mental disorder कितना ज्यादा severe होता है और कितना
Severe हो सकता है. Yeah.
और वो इतना ही पेनफुल होता है जितना कोई आपका क्या बोलते हैं उसको व्हेन यू गेट हर्ट एनी फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम जितना आपको दर्द देता है उतना ही मेंटल इशू भी देता है बट वो दिखाई नहीं देता है सिर्फ उसका उतना ही प्रॉब्लम है सो यू कैन सी इट
Exactly.
इट्स नॉट
Yeah.
विजिबल
Right. So I think the main problem is that people, as you said, like these days people use anxiety and depression and all these terms like very easily.
या
That's because they don't understand the severity of this thing, that how bad it can be for a person who's actually going through it.
Yeah.
So
So
yeah,
imagine
definitely
I
this is
just, for a person who has anxiety, imagine I had. So like just coming
yeah,
also on this live would have been a huge task for me. मैं सुबह
exactly.
से अभी तक मैं उसके बारे में ही सोच रही होती कि what do I have to do? I would be prepping
Yeah,
myself. Even coming in front of the camera would have taken like 2 hours to prepare. And then,
exactly.
yeah, so anxiety is not something that you can have like आज है कल नहीं है.
Yeah,
Yeah, so just
yeah.
terms that are used very loosely because we don't know about the severity.
Exactly. And people tend to do it very often. Like, even
Yeah.
if उनको कुछ भी हो रहा होगा, they'll be like, oh, you know what, I'm very depressed. And the next day
Hmm.
they'll be very happy. They'll be all chill about life. So yeah,
Yeah.
this is something that people need to understand, the severity and the term that you are using. You need to be diagnosed with it. Then only you should use it, not just like हवा में only.
And my point is why would you want to be depressed? अगर आपको वो चीज
Yeah,
अभी तक हुई नहीं है आप क्यों अट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो अपनी लाइफ में आप क्यों बोल रहे हो इट्स नॉट अ नाइस प्लेस टू बी इन सो
exactly.
why just say things for the sake of it I think you're having
Exactly.
questions okay hmm.
Yeah. All right. So, as we talked about anxiety and depression, what is the difference between these two terms? बहुत लोग confuse होते हैं that what is anxiety and how to define depression. तो दोनों के बीच में क्या अंतर है, क्या severity complexes रहते हैं, या क्या signs and symptoms are different in these two things?
ओके सो डिप्रेशन आई थिंक जब हम देखते हैं तो लोगों को यूजुअली लगता है कि डिप्रेशन इज जस्ट व्हेन अ पर्सन इज वेरी सैड और वेरी लो और मे बी दे आर वेरी लेजी उनको कुछ पसंद नहीं आता वो ज्यादा बात नहीं करते हैं ऐसा
Yeah.
बट there are a lot of symptoms that could go under what a depressed person feels. Maybe they
Yeah.
are sleeping too much, or they're not sleeping at all. They are
Okay.
eating too much, or they're not eating at all. They
Okay.
completely isolate themselves, or they don't talk to anyone. Even they would just shut themselves in their rooms. They wouldn't like to talk to any family member or a friend. They would
Yeah.
avoid them because it just doesn't interest. वो जो usually भी उनके activities उनको अच्छी लगती थी करनी. For example,
Yeah.
if they had a favorite hobby, they wouldn't वो सब चीजें भी उनको they wouldn't find it interesting anymore. So they lose interest from people, things, activities, just from life in general. And they if even if they have to do something, it's like their body is not allowing them because they've lost all energy. They feel
Right.
they feel very very lethargic. And you would see, or they may start using substances. They may
Yeah.
start using drugs or alcohol, or they would
Yeah.
smoke. ज्यादा इनकी quantities बढ़ जाए अगर वो already करते हैं, तो ये सब चीजें
Yeah.
आपको जब दिखता है कि पैटर्न्स थोड़े abnormal हो रहे हैं किसी के अंदर, वो अपने
Yeah.
एक्चुअल सेल्फ से completely अपोजिट बिहेव कर रहे हैं. So
All
you
right.
can somewhere see it in the person कि हाँ, something is wrong with them.
Something
And then
is
you,
wrong. Yeah.
yeah, and then you go for actually getting them tested, or getting them to talk to someone
Yeah.
professional so that they can actually talk about what's happening to them.
Right.
So this is
So
where
as you said,
depression
yeah.
comes. Yeah.
Yeah. So as you said that if we notice such symptoms in a person, तो हम उनको we take them to a therapist or maybe a counselor and make them to talk about it. But this process of convincing a person to go to a therapist and talk about his or her problems, that in itself is a very complex process. तो हम
True,
ये
true.
कैसे कर सकते हैं? मतलब how do we convince someone to go and take help?
So in my opinion, I think आजकल because of the influx of information,
Yeah,
people are themselves becoming aware that if something is wrong with me, I think I should talk to someone. So that is a
yeah,
very nice thing, and it makes me very happy because at the end of the day, it's your life, and your
exactly.
responsibility is only to take care of yourself. तो अगर
Yeah,
आपको to take care of yourself, the thing that you have to do is to go to a doctor or go to a therapist. I think
yeah,
इसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. And जहां तक दूसरों की बात आती है, if someone else has to take them or get convince them to go.
yeah,
So I think the process has to be very, very from a place of love, care,
yeah.
and has to be done very sensitively and with compassion. आप जाके
Right.
किसी को बोलोगे कि आई थिंक तू पागल हो रहा है, तेरे को किसी के पास जाना चाहिए, मैं तो ऐसे
Yeah,
नहीं तुझे झेल सकता. If you tell
yeah,
things like this to people, I think they will be offended. उनके feelings
exactly.
hurt होंगे. एक तो already
And
a
they will
person is
be
in a
even
very, yeah.
closed within themselves. They
Yeah,
won't want to like share anything. उसके बाद.
एग्जैक्टली.
Yeah,
बिकॉज वो ऑलरेडी एक तो डार्क प्लेस में है. आपने उनकी
exactly.
फीलिंग्स और हर्ट कर दिया. उनको लगेगा कि if this person doesn't understand me, no one is going to understand me. So
Exactly. Yeah,
they wouldn't want to just step out or take help anyway. So I think the
exactly.
if the other person is doing this job, they have to do it like very responsibly.
Right.
So it should be first you have to try to understand what the person is going through. आप उनको sympathy देने की कोशिश करोगे कि यार मेरे को समझ आ रहा है, ठीक है, ऐसा उनको पता चल जाता है कि आप पिटी दे रहे हो. And it's very
Exactly.
evident. So there has
Yeah,
to be empathy. You have to try to get in their shoes and try to understand what the person is going through. Only then will you be truly able to help them. And then
exactly.
the right choice of words, and then motivating them in the first place, reminding
Yeah,
them of what they used to be, and
yeah,
just reminding them of the happy moments they had in life in general, and just telling them, I think it's time for you to go back there, be yourself again,
yeah,
and just making them feel heard. I think that is the key. Just telling them that it's okay. I am there for you. I'm here to listen. Take your
yeah,
time. आप इतने से भी तीन चार नॉर्मल सेंटेंसेस उनको बोल दोगे, आई थिंक दे विल फील वेरी 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 सिक्योर. in
Exactly.
your
Yeah.
company.
Comfortable and secure. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
What usually happens is that कोई भी इंसान अगर जाता है किसी को कुछ बोलने, a person who is actually suffering from something, तो we tend to blame that person कि क्यों ऐसा कर रहे हो? Why are you behaving like this? You were not this. So I think this is where we need to correct ourselves that you know what, you should not do that. आप
yeah.
उनको
And
अप्रोच इस तरह से करो कि they understand कि okay, this person is, you know, he or she is caring for me, and I should look at it in a very positive perspective.
two very important things for the other person is to not judge. अगर आपको
Yeah,
कोई कुछ बता रहा है, आप who are you to judge? आप
exactly.
firstly someone is opening up to you. Your
Yeah,
task is to listen. आप
exactly.
सुनो. If you have something to say it at a better time and not in a
Yeah,
judgmental tone. Even if it's
yeah,
coming out of concern for the other person, your tone matters. And other
exactly.
thing is advice. Don't jump onto giving advices. आप
I think that's what a lot of people do. A lot of us
yeah,
do.
a lot
थोड़ा
of
सा
people
सुना
give
नहीं कि jump to
advices
conclusions
to
that you know what ये करना चाहिए तुम्हें. So yeah,
exactly. I
yeah,
think हम as individuals हम already इतने इंटेलिजेंट होते हैं. आप किसी को डम बोलो, वो डम नहीं होता. एक्चुअली पीपल आर
yeah,
वेरी इंटेलिजेंट. दे
yeah,
ट्राई एवरीथिंग दैट दे कैन डू इन देयर कैपेबिलिटी टू find the best solution for a problem.
right.
तो आप अगर आप suddenly you start giving advices to the other person, they may have probably tried, and when you do that, they are like, I'm not sharing this because I wanted to listen to your advices all of a sudden.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
listen to me. Yeah.
Right. So yeah, this is something very important that you know बहुत सारे लोगों को समझना चाहिए कि if a person is feeling something, you should just listen to him or her, not just you know just hurry and jump off to conclusions because that's what people actually do. So apart from this, what is the cure for any of the mental health issues, be it anxiety or depression, apart from the clinical or the medication that you know doctors give? What else can a person do by
Yeah.
himself?
Yeah, so firstly, obviously has to be therapy, in my opinion. And along with therapy, I in during your therapy, your therapist gives you homework. So
Yeah,
following that, and also whatever you've learned during the session, practicing that outside of the session as well. आप वो 1 घंटे के session को सिर्फ सुन के भूल जाओ, that is not going to help. If
exactly.
for anyone who's going to therapy, this is for them.
Yeah.
And uh, taking that all of that learning with you forward in life is going to help you, because if you know that this is how you have to deal with this, आपको पता रहेगा if something comes up in life after this,
Yeah,
I know how I have to deal with this. So
yeah,
that's where, and apart from this, in their own capability, people already have figured out a lot of things that are therapeutic in their way,
yeah,
like always going back to, I think, a favorite hobby or activity that you
yeah,
find peace in. For people, it could be listening to music or dancing or drives or painting,
yeah,
art, anything. So just find that one comfortable space where you can actually vent. Then writing down, journaling your emotions. When you
yeah,
feel cluttered in your mind, you have a lot on your mind. I think the simple thing is to just write down, because
right.
when you put it on paper, you realize that most of this is not even true or doesn't make sense. So it
Yeah,
becomes easier for you and you feel lighter. Talking to a
right.
friend, call a friend, talk to them. And I don't think life is too short to think that the other person is going to judge me or they won't understand. Just try it and see it. इतना सोचने
Exactly.
हम जाते हैं, इतना हम साइक आउट करते हैं खुद को हर चीज के बारे में. Just doing, before doing it for 2 hours, we are figuring out should we do it or not. Why do we
Yeah,
have to think so much? Just go with it. So it will
right.
become a lot simpler. आप कुछ तो सीख के ही निकलोगे उसमें से. Even if the
True.
experience is bad, you learn something. So use it to your
Exactly.
advantage the next time. And like I mentioned before, a good schedule, good food. I think someone mentioned hydration. That is very true.
Hydration. Yeah,
Yeah. Spending time in nature, I think
yeah.
that works best for me.
And I think all these things can be very different for every person. सबका एक अपना
Yes,
comfort zone होता है. And if they find that out, I think it will be very easy for them to sort of take some time off the rough schedule, or any mental health issues or whatever episode they are going through. उससे एक just a step back, and they will actually like it, like that space, that comfortable zone that they create around themselves. Wonderful.
definitely.
Yeah.
These are just
And
very simple things that people can
yeah,
do in their own capacity from where they are. And apart from that, जो हम therapy में we suggest exercises
yeah,
and everything, वो तो definitely बहुत helpful होते हैं, and they are like very specific to the problem that the person goes through. Depression अलग होता है,
right.
anxiety अलग होता है, for mood disorders अलग होता है. It is different
Yeah.
for everything.
And as you talked about exercise, so what I have heard, the common misconception in people is that कि exercise is for physical well-being. उसको
Mhm.
हम mental well-being के लिए use नहीं कर सकते. So this is what I have come across a lot of times from people. So
Yeah.
what is your take on it?
So I think exercise, even if you get like 10 to 20 minutes of moving your body, getting
Yeah,
aerobic exercise, like walking, or people go to gym and then
yeah,
yoga. So all of that physical exercise, it actually releases feel good hormones. And
right,
hormones, they help you feel good entirely. It
right,
boosts your energy, it boosts your mental state, your mood, and if you feel good, you're going to feel happy and you're going to feel charged and you're going to behave in a nice way. So I think
definitely.
it's definitely related to your mental state.
All right, wonderful. So, at the end of the sessions, I would like really want to ask you that what is your one message to anyone across there who is actually dealing with any of the mental issues? कोई भी इंसान जो किसी भी mental issues or maybe anxiety, depression, stress या sadness किसी के भी through जा रहा है, so what would be your message to him?
I think my only message is that you are not alone. We are all in this together, and there's nothing to be there's nothing to be scared of, or there's nothing
Yeah,
to be uh just a second, just a
yeah,
second. Yes. There's nothing to be scared of, and don't care about what other people are going to think. I think people should love themselves more than what other people think about them.
right,
So it's our responsibility to make ourselves feel loved and cared for, and your mental health should be your only priority. If other people's opinions or judgments matters so much to you, it will be really difficult to navigate through life. So, for anyone dealing with any kind of mental health problem, firstly, figure out for yourself how important you are to yourself, and then take the right step towards doing the right thing by giving yourself the treatment and the care you deserve. There's nothing wrong with it. And just emerge out of it as a shining person, as a healed person, and live
yeah.
yourself to the fullest.
Wow, that was a wonderful message. It was great talking to you, Srishti. I mean, we had such a
Likewise.
wonderful conversation about mental health, and I believe that a lot of people who saw us talking would have taken something out of it.
Definitely, definitely.
Yeah, it
Thank you
was
so
great
much.
having you. Thank you so
Tell
much.
me
Thank you
something
for doing
about
this.
yourself first.
All
We
right,
missed out
about
on that.
myself. Yeah, okay. So I'm Vaishnavi and I work with Girls Buzz as the multimedia content executive. And in general, I'm a very like a creative person. So yeah, I mean, I love my job. Whatever I do, I create content, I write content. So I love it. And apart
Amazing.
from it, I think I am a very choppy person, if not on camera, but yeah, in person I am. So yeah, that's about me.
But it was lovely talking to you, and
Same here.
thank you to you and the Girls Buzz team for reaching out and conducting this
Yeah.
beautiful session with me. It was lovely
Thank you
talking to
so
you.
much. Thank you so much for doing this with us. Thank you.
Okay, let's check if we have any questions.
Yeah, sure.
So happy to hear from you guys. Keep moving. Okay, thank you. Someone asked, what is your topic?
Okay, so we talked about mental health, and this session would be uploaded on our page, so you can definitely go and check it out.
Oh, that's amazing. Okay, so
Yeah,
everyone who is viewing, you can check out the video for today on Girls Buzz India. I think they're doing a great job. and they're empowering so many women and making them recognized in their own fields.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye bye.